If your iPhone has a black screen and won't turn on or charge, don't panic. Here's a step-by-step fix to bring it back to life. Like and subscribe if this helps. First, check your charging cable and adapter. Make sure they are working by testing with another device. Also, try a different wall outlet or USB port. If the hardware is fine, force restart your iPhone. For iPhones with Face ID, quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until you see the Apple logo or older models. Hold down the Home plus Power button or Volume down plus Power button together, depending on your model, for about 10-15 seconds. Still nothing? Leave it plugged in for at least 30 minutes. If your battery was deeply drained, it might take time to respond. If it doesn't respond at all, connect it to a computer using a USB cable. Open Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows. If your iPhone appears, you may need to update or restore via recovery mode. Last resort, enter recovery mode. Quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until you see the recovery screen. From there, you can choose to update, keep your data, or restore, resend, reinstall. If your iPhone still doesn't power on, it may be a hardware issue and you'll need to visit an Apple store or authorized repair center. Hopefully, this helped bring your iPhone back. Don't forget to leave a like and follow for more tech fixes.